Okay, I'm Oscar. I'm from Spain. I'm from the north of Spain. Welfare Student Services Manager. Drinking coffee, staying with my friends, teaching, one of my passions. Basically, meeting new people and getting the chance of learning and getting more experience in this field. Oh, I have like a lot. It would be difficult to describe them, but basically, every moment I spend with Melissa and every situation we sort out. Because the policies are very clear. I think it's a very professional. I mean, you are professional in general compared to others, and believe me, I mean, if I'm here, it's because I'm coming from other places in which the policies are not as good as in here. Enjoy what you do. Make sure you know. Enjoy what you do and make sure what's your role, your duties and responsibilities. Otherwise, you won't perform properly. And make sure you're working with the students. Students are very delicate. Students should be treated as like your sons or daughters because you are chaperone them and they are under your care. And this is the most important, the welfare. And make them enjoy.